This is Bondi Beach, this is my home. It's a fairly major redevelopment of a really tricky site. The house itself was a bit of a Frankenstein's monster of a house. It was added onto, and in 2018 I started designing it, and it's just been finished. So it's been a labour of love. This was always quite a dark house, which is bizarre because that's north. So we are due north and we get lots of light across here, but to get that light we needed to open up this whole north facade. I used to sit in here in this room and just imagine how the walls would come out, how it would be if we had a staircase here, what it would look like if this was one big opening, and how much light this would let in. So this opening is the most important opening in the entire project. It's wide and the ceiling height is 2.85, so these panels of doors are rather large. I didn't want it to feel like it's got a big chunky frame, you're going to have to step over the seal and it's going to mess up your ceiling and all that stuff. I wanted them to be thin and fine and architectural. So as soon as I saw ComfortEDGE, I was like, that's what I want. It was really, really important to me that the ceiling here and the ceiling outside on the terrace was one continuous line all the way through. And it was very important that the seals integrated into the ceilings and into the floor. The ComfortEDGE was just such an easy yes. We've got different materials, but they're all one level. I mean, it's magic. It's not overly original to have a white rendered house, but I chose Surf Mist because I wanted to make sure that all the windows and doors could be powder coated in a colour that I knew could be translated well into paint and into render and into metal. It looks fresh and white and bright and modern. It's gorgeous. There are things in here in this house that are really important. Like the joinery is important, the stone's important, the floor's important, the architecture and the way that I've reconfigured the spaces, very important. I wouldn't be able to do this connection to the terrace without a product this refined. It wouldn't look this good if the profile wasn't so thin. I love the profile, I love the colour. They are so important to this build, and it couldn't have been a better result.